Hi and welcome to the Holm booth here at InfoComm 26 in Las Vegas. My name is Henrik and I'm going to talk to you a bit about our manual monitors. Holm is known for all motorized solutions, but in this case we also have a couple of manual monitors. This is the Holm AH1 and it's a monitor that is done completely in aluminum. It has a very sleek design. You have, of course, the traditional features of touchscreen and cameras and whatever you require for it. You have a USB-C pass-through, and you can get them in different sizes up to 22 inches. But the whole idea is to have a monitor that is available when in use, and when no longer in use, you can just push it down. You still see it, but we have taken care of making it very minimalistic. We have also taken care on the back, if you see that there's no cable sticking out. So it is represents itself as a very clean monitor that just sits on top of the table. If you want to find out more about this monitor, come and see us here at our booth at InfoComm or go to rAVe.com.